Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty. So Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers, you also pray for me. I hope you're waiting for latest videos, so girls, the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet bracelet ideas for modern girls. So girls, please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety. Most demanding collection, most wearing collection. Follow my channel. Very nice. Some are simple and some are beautiful, decorated with beaded stones, ideas. Very nice, most demanding, most wearing, most likely. Beautiful crochet collection. And you can wear these crochet bracelet with matching your dresses in any party like college or any function, and casually at your home. Mostly girls like crochet jewelry. All the patterns are very beautiful and all the bracelets are very stylish, most demanding, trendy style, and lightweight crochet bracelet. Very nice. Okay, words. Now you have to go. Allah Hafiz.